That you are rich now does not mean you are rich until the end. That you are superior now does not mean you are superior until the end. The beginner is not the owner, but the finisher. Can you point to me, since you are born, someone who started it and ended it in your family? Started big and end big. Everyone is fading away. What is the cause? Offense, unforgiveness, bitterness, bad feelings towards others. Anyone that cannot forgive is hurting himself more than anyone. Holding grudges, holding bitterness damages heart. Holding unforgiveness damages heart. Any step you take, you are taking into darkness. The Spirit of God expresses himself through our spirit. There's nowhere he can express himself because